In this video, let's learn how to use side button on Samsung Galaxy A06 mobile. You can see our power key. When I double press my power key, I can open my mobile camera. Let's learn how to customize this button. You can add any application for this. Go to your mobile settings. Scroll down and go to Advanced Features option. Click on this side button. You can see it's already enabled. Now when I press my side key on 2 times, I can open my camera. You can select other application for this. Click on this open app option. After, you can select any application you want to use. I select calculator. Okay, now I double press my side key. I can open calculator. In this method, you can customize and use your side key.